About to jump on the highway, gonna meet up Lil, Tim. There's actually a rider that came all the way up from San Francisco. He asked if you wanted to ride. Hard to say no when a guy comes all the way from Cali. Enjoy the video.
Keep on riding. Keep on riding.
How's it going?
What's up? Good seeing you again.
Yeah, you too, man.
You will be on the YouTubes.
Yeah.
From San Francisco to Seattle, stayed there for a week, and then I came here. It was really close.
You want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Andy. I'm from San Francisco.
What brings you to Vancouver?
Vancouver people.
Whoa! Specifically who?
I guess Lily did.
No! Did you see that? What? So popular. All the way from San Fran. Hey, man?
You too.
Oh, thank you. We're gonna have a good ride today. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
His eyes, but to him she's just another girl. Roll with the tide like the wind in the sky, and he'll only let you down. Ooh, Jason, tell me what you're chasing, because the night will never give you what you want. Ooh, Jason, and if you can't escape it, I hope you find whatever you've been looking for.
Where do you go in a town full of ghosts and everybody knows your name? And all the homecoming queens in the small town scenes, they'll offer you a place to stay. Someone forever instead of whenever, when they're naked in the light. It's a stranger to potion, but sometimes emotion almost makes you feel alive.
Tell me what you're chasing, because the night will never give you what you want. Ooh, Jason, and if you can't escape it, I hope you find whatever you've been looking for.
And I'm gonna keep on, keep on, keep on, keep on, keep on running.
Keep on running.
And I'm gonna keep on, keep on, keep on, keep on, keep on running.
Keep on running. Tell me what you're chasing.
Oh my god, look how many lanes there are. You going to shoulder? So American.
Keep on running.
throw this away. It's gone! Sorry, sorry.